On behalf of the Yoruba One Voice, we've been sent by the Australian, I'll say the Australian
New Zealand chapter.
Australian New Zealand chapter to come and show our solidarity and support for the Oodua nation. Every other part of the world have been joining, and Australia is not left out. And we being the nearest person, your neighbor, your friend in Canberra, so that is why we have been dedicated to come and deliver this letter on behalf of the Yoruba One Voice worldwide to you, sir, so that this letter can go from Australia to the president in Nigeria. So with honor, I'm giving you this, sir, believing that we are going to deliver this on our behalf to the president, that Yoruba people said they are matured to stay on their own. All this is peaceful demonstration we've been carrying all over the world, and we believe in peaceful resolution. So that is why we are here today to deliver the letter on behalf of the Yoruba One Voice, Australia and New Zealand. Here with me is our treasurer in Australia, in Canberra, Mrs. Adeyemi, and our secretary in Canberra, Bolaji, and myself, Rotimi. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, President of Yoruba Association, Canberra, Treasurer and Secretary, for coming to Nigerian High Commission to deliver a message which I promise I'm going to pass to the highest destination in Nigeria. I know that there's a lot of agitations in the country, but the government of Nigeria, I believe, we don't want to Yoruba to go, because it's a tribe that come together to build the country. So if there's any concern, I believe, I'm not talking on behalf of my government, I am talking on behalf of myself. If there's any concern, I think